Introducing the OEM 8M0083392 bearing carrier from Ice Marine, designed specifically for Mercury outboards ranging from 135 to 300 HP. This includes 3-liter DFI and Verado models with 4.80-inch torpedo gear housings. This essential lower unit component supports and aligns the propeller shaft bearing, ensuring smooth power transfer and reduced vibration. Experience long-term drivetrain reliability, even under high-load conditions. It's compatible with part numbers 8M0083392, 8M0053703, 850311T03, and more. Built to OEM specifications, it utilizes corrosion-resistant materials for a precise fit and dependable performance. Trust Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, for premium aftermarket marine parts. For more information, visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp +886 966 468 632.